फाइनली वो दिन आ ही गया जब सर अपनी खुद की बुक पब्लिश होकर के एक ऑथर को जो अपने प्रिंट आती है और वो उस प्रिंट को ओपन कर रहे हैं।
Finally, my book is published, and this is the main topic: Diagnostic Veterinary Microbiology. And this book contains all the laboratory diagnostic principal procedures and their results. And this is all about the book. This is all about the me. There is the author. So. Especially this book is recommended for all UG students and all laboratory technicians and all institutions. I hope you will enjoy by reading this book. Thanks for watching this video and kindly purchase this book. This is available at Flipkart and Amazon. This book is printed by and published by Notion Publisher. It contains all about bacteriology, biology, immunology, and microbial biotechnology. This is a recent course, so this book contains all that chapters regarding all these topics. Hope you are enjoying this book. Kindly purchase this book from Amazon and Flipkart. Thanks for watching.